We're going to be going over 5 Amazon affiliate marketers in this video who are making just bank, right? And it's going to be really exciting because we're going over 5 different niches, people. We're going over the baby stuff niche, okay? There's just so much baby stuff. Maybe you're a mom and you love researching baby stuff. I'm going to show you somebody making a ton of money just talking about baby stuff all day. Camping stuff. You can talk about camping supplies and, you know, the best stuff to camp, you know, ultralight or heavyweight or whatever. Drones, vacuums, and even if you want to talk about TVs, it doesn't matter what you're interested in. We're all interested in something. There's some products we all like, and you can talk about them on the internet and make tons of money. Very nice full-time incomes, multi-million-dollar incomes. And come over here. So I'm going to show you it right here on my computer. I'm going to show you their websites and I'm going to expose everything they're doing. Now, I may get some hate for this, but I don't care because the people need it, and I hope you like this because this is going to be a lot of fun going through their sites. Okay, so here we are on Google, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the first niche, which is ranking very well in Google. In fact, I think all these are. Now, I'm just wondering, I mean, think to yourself, how many of you think you've never seen an Amazon affiliate before, right? Can you recall the last time you saw an Amazon affiliate link? Can you? Now, a lot of people probably, you might be in the audience thinking, I've never seen an Amazon affiliate link. You know, are there really people making money with Amazon affiliate? It's all over the place, and for sure you've clicked on them. I'm doing a search for best baby diapers right here. Anybody who's had a baby, you know, everybody wants the best. And we're gonna search, you know, we're just gonna go to the #1 result right here, okay? 7 best disposable baby diapers. Oh, it's a nice article talking about, you know, how to pick baby diapers, right? You know, we have all these different products. Okay, interesting for sensitive skin. Did anybody see the Amazon affiliate links? Some of you did, and they're literally everywhere on this site, okay? Every single diaper has an Amazon affiliate link associated with it. So anytime somebody buys from any of these links, this person, this site called babylist.com is making money from your purchase, okay? Isn't that biased, right? Aren't they just trying to sell you stuff, man? No, this is how commerce is done. This is how they get the money to afford the website and to put a full-time effort into talking about baby stuff and working from home. You see they have Amazon affiliate links. They also have Walmart affiliate links as well. So you can just click there and boom, you're taken to Amazon where you can buy the Pampers. Now it's funny because, you know, I asked my wife, I said, oh, have you ever clicked on an affiliate link? And she said, no. What are you talking about? I don't click on that scammy stuff. And I said, you just clicked on one. She said, what? What are you talking about? I said, you just clicked on that, you know, thing to buy that baby thing. She said, that wasn't an affiliate link. I said, yeah, it was. Look at it, you know? And she was like, oh. Most people don't even know that they are supporting so many affiliate marketers, but this industry is so huge. It's so cool. Okay, now let's go to our next subject, which is camping. For people new to camping, you know, many people might type in the word camping necessities. Okay, so this keyword is searched a cool 3,600 times a month in the US. That means a lot of people are searching for it and related terms. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to pick a site, and let's check this one, 21 camping essentials. If I'm new to camping, I might want more, you know, I might think I need more stuff. So I'm going to select this link. It says the gear you never want to forget. Okay, I'm going to buy every single thing on this list. Now it's recommending some shelters, some tents. Now let's say I want to camp in Utah in the fall. Select this tent, the cold weather tent. Okay, and it brings me to another page where it gives the best 5 tents, and I'm just gonna pick their #1 tent, the Arctic Oven tent with vestibule. Now, if you're catching the drift, yes, boom, that was another affiliate link, and a lot of sites who talk about products are using affiliate links. So this company is using affiliate links. Every single tent that's being recommended is an affiliate link, okay? No matter which tent you pick, no matter which product you end up buying, that they recommended, the knives, the survival supplies, medical supplies, jackets, they are all affiliate links. So no matter what you buy, they are going to make money. And that's how people pay for the internet. That's how people support their lifestyles around the world. And many of these people, nobody really talks about this stuff, but there's hundreds of thousands of people out there that are running these little businesses with little blogs, making money every time people purchase products. And you're adding value to the world as well. This person is adding value to the world, helping people camp and making money from their recommendations. Now, what I really like about this person's approach compared to the baby list approach is whereas the baby list approach, they were recommending the best baby diapers. And you're gonna pick one of, all the ones they reviewed, right? You're not gonna maybe somebody will buy these diapers and these diapers and these diapers to split test them against each other. But I think that's more of a marketer thing. Whereas people on this site, they're saying you should buy these 21 things. So people will theoretically buy 21 different products to go camping with. That means a lot of money. If you're spending $1,000 or $2,000, 10% of $2,000 is $200. So one visitor could make this person $200 in Amazon affiliate commissions, which is pretty good. So really all you need is one visitor to go buy that whole list a day and you're set. Now here's another search. Let's look at the TV niche. So something I searched recently was best TV for video games. And this search only gets 590 monthly people searching for it, but it's a pretty big purchase, right? I'm expecting to pay a lot of money for a TV. Now let's click the first result right here, and we're gonna click the first result. What we see is the 8 best 4K gaming TVs, and boom, look at this. Again, these are Amazon affiliate links all the way down the line. So here the person is recommending TVs. This is $1,600. And just to give you the math on that, $1,600 times 10% is $160. So what I like about this person's strategy to being an Amazon affiliate, instead of targeting, where's the baby list, they targeted, really cheap goods, $27 and, $20 for a pack of diapers, and you were going to select one of them, they would make $1 to $2, right, from each person who bought a product from their site. Whereas the other person recommended 21 products. So to buy all those products, you had to pay let's say $2,000. So that person, if people bought everything, they made a lot of money. Whereas here, this TV, no matter which product you select, you are going to spend a lot of money. So instead of getting people to buy a lot of products, they're getting people to spend a lot of money, no matter what you're going to buy. And I'm in the market for a gaming TV. Of course, I'm expecting to spend a lot of money. TVs are expensive, especially ones built to do the best, if I'm looking for the best gaming TVs. So there's different strategies you can employ, and personally, the way I recommend doing affiliate marketing is if this is something you're going to go after, high ticket items are probably the best place to start because you only need one person to buy from your website a day and you're making an extra $160. So that's much easier than trying to sell 100 people diapers, right? So getting 100 people to buy rather than just getting one person to buy. I like high ticket better. I think it's bigger money. Now let's look at 2 other examples of what are high ticket items. Now, if you are getting a lot of value from this video, type in Amazon money in the comments here because Amazon is giving out a lot of money all over the place and you should get some of it. In fact, you should get as much as you want because frankly, you shouldn't be working a job. You shouldn't be going to school. You should be making money online. You deserve it. Take back control of your life. And if you want to see more videos on how you can be an affiliate marketer and tactics you can do, ways you can get your link out there, ways you can set up your websites or whatnot, make sure to subscribe. The subscribe button is somewhere around here. Subscribe to my channel. hit the notification bell so you're always notified of when new videos come out. And also, if you're interested in taking your life to the next level and being a student of mine, click the join button. I think it's next to the subscribe button. And you could join my money club. And my money club is $50 a month. But what you get is you get access to talk to me twice a month on a live stream. And the information of when the live stream dates are is somewhere over there. You'll also get access to the replays, but you'll get access to interact with me, a multimillionaire, affiliate marketer, 32 years old, and I've been able to crush it online, have like multiple properties at this point, all that stuff, and I don't have a job. Right? I don't have a job. And I can be anywhere I want in life, and you'll get me as one of the people in your network. You'll also get access to 40 hours of videos from me and mini courses that you can check out. So let's get to these final two, what I call, they're higher ticket items, drones and vacuums. And we're also going to get to your bonus, which is a Home Depot affiliate. Let's check it out. So here we are. If we search best vacuum cleaners, if you're seeing the pattern, people looking for the best of a particular product is a really good place for an affiliate marketer to come in, because you're searching for the product itself, like, a particular vacuum cleaner. Amazon will probably show up number one, but Amazon doesn't actually have a site that's like, here's the 5 best vacuum cleaners, whereas individual companies do. So let's check out the 10 best vacuum cleaners of 2019. So we click there, boom, we get a bunch of vacuum cleaner reviews, and they're giving their personal opinions. Best overall, Shark Navigator upright vacuum. And boom, another Amazon affiliate link. And this is, not a super high ticket product like we were looking at before, gaming TVs, but it's still $170. So you make it cool, about $16 if somebody buys this. But here's the kicker. Best vacuum cleaners gets way more search volume than people looking for TVs. 90,000 people per month are searching for the best vacuum cleaner. So that's a lot of people. So each individual sale might not be as big. You're only making about, $20, but there's a lot more people searching for it. So there's always a give and take of volume versus, how much commission you make. Personally, I always go as high ticket as I can go. Now, another strategy, an alternative strategy, is if you're teaching somebody how to do something, right? If somebody's looking for, how to pack for a camping trip, or how to water a garden, or how to set up a raised garden, how to do anything, right? You can actually teach people how to do something and offer them product recommendations, because oftentimes, if I was going to say how to be a YouTuber, right? I might talk about camera equipment, I might talk about a computer, I might talk about a camera stand and all this other stuff, and people would want to know, what camera do you use? What stand for the camera do you use? What kind of microphone are you using? Because they might want to buy that equipment, and I could teach people how to do that and put up Amazon affiliate links. And that's what this person is doing here with teaching people how to fly a drone. So we see this, how to fly a drone. We're going to click this link. We see this is an article, this is a guide of how to fly a drone. It's a very long guide, but throughout this guide, I'm not going to walk you through it all, but basically products are talked about, and you can buy drones. Their drone buying guide, you can buy drones from them, and drones are not cheap. So here we are on their number one drone selection pick, and as you see, boom, once again, $1,500. Drones are a great high ticket item. A lot of people are buying them, and some affiliates got to make commissions. So they did a very good job. They're teaching people how to fly drones, and then they're saying this is the best one to buy. When somebody buys this, they're making somewhere like $150. It's an article. It's up on the internet. It's been up on the internet for a while now, and they just sit back wherever they do in a hammock in their house and literally make money while they sleep. That's what being an affiliate can be once you start getting it down. Now, this final one, I'm going to give you just an example from the home improvement niche for a Home Depot affiliate. How to paint a fireplace. They have all sorts of home improvement stuff. You can shop for paint. They recommend paint from Home Depot. They give you brick cleaner and ladders and all this stuff. And the great thing about home improvement items is they can get very expensive. You can spend a lot of money remodeling a house or fixing something around your house, and you can make money from every single thing involved because people are doing their research on the internet. Great ideas. Join their affiliate program. Again, Home Depot has an affiliate program. Every company has an affiliate program. We did it. We did it. We went through 6 people's websites that are making bank with Amazon's affiliate program and Home Depot's affiliate program. It's very easy, and I hope this gave you ideas of how much stuff you can do, how many items you could talk about. Anything around you can be talked about online. You can help people out with, and you can earn money doing it. It's like so easy. And if your mind was blown, okay, if your mind was blown, type in the comments, mind blown, because I want to know if this sort of content, if showing other people's sites helps you get ideas for how you can make your own money, how you can get out of the rat race, how you can actually start creating freedom for yourself so you are working around your own schedule and not anybody else's. That would be fabulous, and I need to know that. And also, if you want to go deeper, subscribe to my channel. I already talked to you about the Money Club. Join the Money Club. If you're in the Money Club, type in Money Club. There's so many opportunities out there. You don't need to work a job. You don't need to go to school. You don't need to, let the social media use you. You can use it. You can be the blogger. You can be the Pinterester. You can be the Instagrammer that people are clicking on your links. They're engaging with your content, and you're the one making money. You're the one living free. You're the one out there enjoying nature. You're the one spending time with your family, traveling around the world, or whatever you want to do. You just got to take action, and you got to realize that you can do this too. I showed you 6 different examples. If you subscribe to my channel, you will see examples every single day. So I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Until then, live free, learn a lot, and talk to you soon.